Hello everyone, in this video I would like to share about to make a bench with table. First of all, we have to set the basic shape with rotated rectangle for the first. You can see this. You you just position it on origin node uh, like this. You can see the video. First of all, we have to make a bench for the first. This is we can type 500, and for the long is approximately 1500 millimeter. Then I think it's too large for the width. Then we have to make it smaller. Anyway, it's around 350 millimeter. For the long is 1500 millimeter, right? And after that, you can now delete some unnecessary object like this. You can select this object and right click and just erase it. Then you can make a thickness of the top of the bench like this. You can set the 50 millimeter of the thickness. Then you can explore for the material, but it can we can do it for later. Okay, you can set the value of the height of the bench is around 350 millimeter, right? Then after that you have to make a basic shape of the support of the top of the bench like this. You can use the rectangle. Anyway, you can use the rectangle like this, and you just pull it down until you touch the origin node. Anyway, then you can make a component and create it and make it on another side of the page like this. Then you just move it like this, make it as proportional as possible. Anyway, and then we have to make uh, supporting wood or supporting beam in this bottom of the uh, board of bench like this. Okay, after that, this is just a simple bench. And after that we have to make a table. Anyway, we have to make a table. We just move it a little bit on right side. Anyway, on the green axis. Then we have to make a basic green axis. We have to make a basic of the table that we have to make a 600 for the width, and the long of the table is make it as long as the bench. Anyway, then you have to make a thickness of the top of table like this. You can make a 50 millimeter of the thickness. Then as usual, you can now pull it up, you can now move it up like this. Just type the value is 750 millimeter like this. Okay, this is the top of table. Anyway, we can check the distance. It's too high, we can a little bit move down. It is 50 millimeter, right? And after that we can now make some support material. We can add some support material or support of the top of table like this, maybe. And then we have to make it group and make it component and just create it, then move it on a right side. Anyway, just set as proportional as possible. And after that we have to make it near and make it closer from the bench. Anyway, this is the bench of the this is of the bench and the table. Anyway, if you wanna make some different design, you can improve it by select this support of the table and select a pen. Then you can draw it with a line, and you can make another concept of the support we as a wood designer, I suggest you that the the when the thing can make a different look of the furniture is about uh, support of this furniture anyway. This is make some this way can make some different look like anyway. Then after that you can now set the material for all component you make it, and you can select the wood veneer or another material anyway. You can select wood veneer like this, then you can assign a material to all of component on your work anyway. Then if you wanna make a duplicate, please duplicate it in the bench. Please duplicate the bench by select all component of the bench, and don't forget to make it group, and just make it duplicate by press the object first with a left click and press move anyway, and just left click again and press control on your keyboard and press position it on proper position. This is this one. Okay, this is a working object. This is a object that contain table and bench anyway. I suggest you that you have to make a lot of improvement at that. I suggest you that you have to make a lot of exercise to make another modeling or another complex modeling, such as house design or two floor house design, and complex another more complex furniture, which is outdoor furniture or indoor furniture anyway. Thanks for watching.